want strong nails instead of thin brittle nails? Then watch my video about this product and you will be amazed. Hello everybody, I'm KHADIJAH and hope you all are enjoying Ramzan, the holy month. So today I am reviewing this product. My nails have always been in good condition. They never break or split and aren't weak. However, my index and thumbnails have been splitting a lot lately, which is irritating the hell out of me. I think it might be because of me bumping my nails onto things, exposing your hands in water. Well, anyways, I ordered it from goldenrose. After a few days, I found this little beauty. It is rupees 70, but in discount, I get of rupees 480. So I guess I did save a bit. It was an impulsive buy, although I have heard great things about goldenrose nail polishes, which I will be reviewing in my upcoming video. First of all, I would like to tell you that what is nail hardener. A nail hardener will protect weak, fragile nails from damage and gradually help repair and rebuild them until they are strong, healthy, and shiny. They are especially beneficial if used immediately after removing nail polish, gels, or false nails. Now, this is from goldenrose nail expert Black Diamond Hardener. Black Diamond is the shade. First of all, I would like to tell you about its packaging. Its packaging is quite sturdy and small, black body with silver applicator brush. It is like normal brush is used for nail paints. Let's come to its texture, formula, or appearance. It looks transparent as I've showed you and works a bit like conditioner. It make your nails look and feel good, but it won't make them differently grow. It has a serum-like texture. 2 coats are enough once in a week, and the bottle, the liquid is transparent, but it applies clear and make the nails look a little more primed and shiny. It is liquid, not like a nail paint, but like a serum, and thin but not runny. It has a chemical-like smell. It lasts about several days and dries very quickly in 2 minutes and looks like a clear nail polish. Apply 2 coats to your bare nails. Actually, I wanted to try this nail hardener for a long time. This is the only hardener I will be purchasing again. I have been applying this to my nails for a few months, once in a month for 2 to 3 days, and I'm loving the sheen it is giving to my nails. It has improved the look of one of my split nails, and I can definitely feel an improvement in the hardness too, especially in my healthy nails. Quite astonishing results for something I didn't really believe in initially. Do you use a nail hardener? What brand is it? And are you happy with its results? Please tell me in the comment box section. I wanted to try this nail hardener for a long time because I heard it was a great product. Now I also wanted to share its pros and cons. Yes, it has cons. It works. It is best for thin, fragile, and weak nails. It is cheap. It makes your nails harder and stronger. It builds a hard, protective, and glossy shield. It gives a nice sheen to your nails. It is quick, dry hardener, and its shield helps to prevent chipping, breaking, and splitting of nails after 4 weeks of regular use. Product is sealed to ensure you of good quality. It has a pretty packaging. It is decently priced. It dries fairly quickly. It has a good applicator brush. The product comes in a regular nail polish bottle and it contains 11 ml of the product. It has a good applicator brush. Now let's come to its cons. Cons are it has a strong smell, chemical-like smell. Be aware of its excessive use because their excessive use can cause nail splitting. So use a moisturizer if you experience this. Availability, it is expensive. You should repeat every week or after 2 weeks. Works as long as you keep using the product. Tiny bottle, a little tiny bottle. Not easily removable. You have to remove it like a nail paint. It can be removed with a nail polish remover. It lasts about several days. It dries very quickly within 2 minutes and looks like a clear nail polish. Apply 2 coats to bare nails. This is the best nail hardener I have ever used because it really does its job right. I have been using this product for months and the results are amazing.